I want to share with you how you can practice yoga with a storybook. So I have this book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So one way to do is to just read the story to the kids and then you practice yoga poses after you read the story. Another way of doing it is that you read the story, okay, and then you do yoga poses along the way. So for example, in the light of the moon, you can stand up, moon pose. And then you'll ask kids to lean to the right and to the left. So in the light of the moon, a little egg. How do we become an egg? Lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up. How does the warm sun came up? Breathe in, breathe out. Or you can ask a kid from your class to read the book for you.
Very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One sunny morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar.